Hello and welcome to this quick video on how to tell whether your data is skewed and which type of skewness your data is. It is very likely that your data will be skewed in some way. It's very unlikely that it will have a symmetrical normal distribution. It will often be skewed. But how can you tell if it's skewed, and how can you tell which way it is skewed? That's what this video hopes to answer. If you look at this histogram on the screen, you can see that the majority of the values are on the right with only a few values on the left. So this data is skewed. It is not all in the center. It is very much pushed over towards the right. So it is skewed. You may have heard that there are two types of skewness. There is positive skewness or negative skewness. Now you can do this visually or you can do this mathematically. I much prefer doing it mathematically because sometimes visually can trick you. This is what I like to show. Apologies for the poor quality in this photo, but I like this as it shows what a positive skewed data looks like and what a negative skewed data looks like. But more importantly for me anyways, it shows you how the mean and the median interact with each other. So if you look at our positive skewed over here, visually we have a lot of the data is pushed towards the left. A lot of the data is pushed towards the 0 on our X, on our numbers. But if you look at the mean and the mean is larger. The mean is larger than the median. So if you think of this as a number line, we have 0 here, we might have 100 over here. The mean is a larger number than the median. If you look in the middle here at the symmetrical distribution, this means there is no skew at all. The mean and the median are the exact same number. So they are the exact same number in a symmetrical distribution. In a negative skewed distribution like this, you can see that all the numbers are pushed up to the right. However, the mean is a smaller number than the median. The mean is a smaller number than the median. So with a negatively skewed data, the mean is smaller than the median and it slides towards the negative numbers. The positive skewed, the mean is bigger than the median and it slides towards the positive numbers. If you think of this as a slide at a playground, you can see the positive slides towards the positive numbers, the negative slides towards the negative numbers. So looking back at this histogram from before, if the mean is 76 and the median is 81, the mean is smaller than the median. 76 is a smaller number than 81. So going back to our definition, if the mean is smaller than the median, then it is negatively skewed. If the mean is smaller than the median, it is negatively skewed. And we can also see that visually, that this slides towards the negative numbers here. If you have a regular data set like this, where you just have numbers, you can find the mean, you can find the median, and that will allow you to tell mathematically whether it is a negative or a positive skewed, or if it is a symmetrical skew, as in there's no skew at all, and the mean and median are equal. If you look here, the mean is 48.5, the median is 45, which means the mean is a bigger number. Back to our definition, if the mean is a bigger number, then it is positively skewed. So this data set here is positively skewed because our mean is bigger than our median. I hope that helps with working out whether data is skewed positively or negatively or not at all, and how you can do that using histograms or just having your data laid out like that. All you need to do is find the mean and the median.